Day prompts say motivational quotes, breaking down their meaning and how to apply them in real life. 1. Live like no one else, so later you can live like no one else. Meaning, this quote emphasizes delayed gratification. If you make financial sacrifices now, such as budgeting, living below your means, and avoiding debt, you will have financial freedom later while others are still struggling. Real life application. While your friend might be financing new cars and going on expensive vacations with credit cards, choose to drive a used car and take budget-friendly trip. Focus on paying off debt aggressively instead of taking on more loans. Invest and save constantly so in the future you can afford a better lifestyle without financial stress. 2. You must gain control over your money or the lack of it will forever control you. Meaning, if you don't take charge of your finances, you will always feel stressed and overwhelmed by many problems. Your financial situation will dictate your choice rather than you being in control. Real life application. Create a detailed budget every month to track where your money goes. Use cash, envelope, or digital budgeting tools or prevent overspending. Pay off debt quickly so you don't have to worry about lenders controlling your paycheck. 3. Winning at money is 80% behavior and 20% head knowledge. Meaning, most people think financial success is about intelligence, but it's actually about discipline and good habits. Even if you understand personal finance concepts, they are useless unless you apply them constantly. Real life application. Make a plan to pay off debt, stick to it, and don't get distracted by short term temptations. Stop impulse buying and focus on long term financial goals. Build habits like saving automatically, avoiding credit card debit, and investing regularly. 4. Debt is dumb, cash is king. Meaning, debt keeps you trapped in financial stress while having cash gives you security and freedom. If you rely on loans, you are at the mercy of bank and lenders. Real life application. Avoid financing cars. Buy a used car with cash instead of taking a loan. Don't use credit card for everyday expenses unless you can pay them off immediately. Build an emergency fund so you don't have to rely on debit when unexpected expenses arise. 5. Broke is normal. Be worried. Meaning, most people live paycheck to paycheck drawing in debt. If you want to be financially successfully, you must do things differently. Even if others think it's unusual. Real life application. While others are spending money on luxury items they can't afford, choose to save and invest. Don't try to impress people with expensive purchases. Focus on building wealth instead. Follow a debt-free lifestyle and live on a budget even if your friends don't understand why. 6. A budget is telling you your money where to go instead of wondering where it went. Meaning, without a budget, money disappears quickly and you have no idea where it went. A budget gives you control over your finances and helps you prioritize your spending. Real life application. Use the zero-based budgeting method. Assign every dollar a job before the month begins. Track your spending weekly to make sure you're sticking to your plan. Adjust your budget as needed, but always have a plan for your money. 7. Pray like it all depends on God, but work like it all depends on you. Meaning, faith is important, but it must be combined with action. You can't just hope for financial success. You have to work hard and make wise choices. Real life application. If you want to get out of debt, pray for strength, but also take action by making extra payments. If you want to build wealth, trust in God's blessing, but also work hard and invest wisely. Have faith, but take responsibility for your your financial future. 8. There is difference between being broke and being poor. Poor is a state of mind. Broke is a temporary condition. Being broke means you temporarily don't have money, but you can fix it with discipline and effort. Being poor is a mindset. If you believe you'll always so stuck financially, you won't take action to change your situation. Real life application: if you broke, don't feel hopeless. Start working on a plan to improve your finances. Stop making excuses like I'll always be in debt or I can't save money. Change your mindset. Learn new skill, find better job opportunities, and be proactive about increasing your income. 9. Success is a pile of failure that you are standing on. Meaning success comes from learning from failures. Every mistake you make teaches you a valuable lesson that help you grow. Real life application: if you made had financial decisions in the past like getting into debt, use those lessons to make better choices now. Don't let past failure discourage you. Keep improving and moving forward. Learn from other financial mistakes to avoid making them yourself. 10. The goal is to live like no one else so later you can give like no one else. Meaning once you achieve financial success, you have the ability to help others in ways that would be possible if you were struggling financially. Real life application: focus on financial independence so you can support causes and help those in need. Teach others about financial literacy and help them avoid common money mistakes. Too generous with your time and resources once you are in a position to do so. Final thoughts: Dave Ramsey's wisdom revolves around discipline, responsibilities, and long-term thinking. His advice isn't not just about making money. It's about gaining financial freedom so you can live stress-free and be generous. If you follow these principles, you can build a debt-free, financially secure, and fulfilling life. Would you like tips on applying these ideas to your specific situation? If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for amazing more videos.